A strategy in different hierarchy level. Usually there are three hierarchy level: corporate level, business unit level, function unit level. So the corporate are the heads mostly one there, and the business level what where the actually the operations being planned, and function level action is happening. So the corporate level, the concern of selection of business in which business company should compete. It should be able to answer three questions: sustainability, flexibility, acceptability. SFA. Sustainability, sustain that, flexible, whatever situation they should be flexible. Acceptability, whatever we have employees, we have this employee, we can work with it. This is the money we have, we need to work with it. Such a kind of acceptability should, this is the environment, we should accept and work over it. That is a corporate level strategy. Business level, it is about practical coordination of operating units. Sir, this is the operation we have, we should think about what we have and what we need to do. So we coordinate with the functional level, and what is the order given by the corporate level, we come up with a plan to complete it. Function level, it is related to functional business process and value chain. So functional business process, what is a function business? There's a process that functions there. So we have order. We need to function it. This is the process we need to complete. This is the function. This is the business process we have. So how to stage one, stage two, stage eight complete and give the finished product. That's it. We know development of resources in operating development, which through which business unit level strategies can be executed effectively and efficiently. So this functional unit level is two things. Sir, we have this much hours and time, this much out of resources through which we need to give an effective product, and that should be efficiently we need to plan. That is the main thing. We have the resources, we need to develop what is the plan which is given by the business level strategy. That's it.